Alright, I'm not gonna start with hello everyone, I'm gonna start with hi guys. Okay, I just want to give you a short update. This is pretty much where I reached today. I'm gonna have to stop in about 4 minutes. But, well, have a look, see what you think. I'm super nervous. I don't think it's gonna work. Not like this anyway. But I'm gonna, well, give it a try, see how it goes. If it falls, it falls. This one, it's not going to be the word right here. Let's have to do it again. Well. You know, this is, I'm putting the small rocks underneath between the wheel and the arc because I want to be able to pick them off later, and then if hopefully it's just going to fall down and see if it's stable or not. If I can pick them all on and it kind of just floats in there, then I can try to move the wheel later. But I'm going to also put squeeze a lot of concrete in between, and later on I will probably put like iron thing underneath it just to make sure it's not going to break anytime soon and fall down into some small kid's head or something like that. But first, I'm going to make it standing, and that is going to probably, it's Wednesday today, so I think maybe this weekend. But I continue. Maybe, who knows? I'm very tempted to just finish off with small rocks, but I'm not sure if they can carry the weight. My concern. So I'm gonna just for empty focus only. There's that one there. And let's see. What do we got? Okay, I'm not gonna, I'll have to pick this one down later, but I'm just gonna show you the beginning of something. It's so funny. I really want to continue. It's just amazing. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I think so. Yeah. So it turned into be a 5-minute video after all.